বৃষ্টি 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 এ কোন অপরূপ সৃষ্টি. It's rainy seasons in India now, and in today's videos let's have a look at some words associated with the rainy season and rains. Rainy season is Barsha and rains is Bristi in Bengali. Now the difference between Barsha and Bristi is this. Bristi is used for a single instance of rain and Barsha is used for the entire season as a whole. First up are some words associated with the sound of rain. Tapur tupur. This can be taken as the equivalent of the English word pitter patter. And rimjhim. Tapur tupur and rimjhim both are taken as soft sounds of rain and hence these are associated with light to moderate rains. Now in a sentence these words can be used as adjectives, and in Bengali since the adjective comes before the noun they are used like this: Tapur tupur brishti or rimjhim brishti. Next, speed of rain. Now there are so many words associated with the speeds of rain, so let's have a look at them systematically. First is drizzle, the type of rain where the drops are almost imperceptible, and if you walk through this type of rain you will not even get wet. So for this type of very slow rain we use these two words il sheguri and jhir il sheguri and jhir for very slow imperceptible rain. Next, the rains are slightly heavier but they are still slow. You can see the drops, you can feel the drops, but you can still walk through the rain or run through the rain to a safe place so as to not get wet. For those type of rains we use tup tup and tip tip. Now you can see tup tup is marked with an asterisk. This is because tup tup is more like a general sound word which can be used for other falling objects. For example, when the morning dew falls, the sound associated with that is tup tup. When let's say a soft object like a flower falls from the tree on the ground, so the soft sound it makes is also called tup tup. So tup tup can be used for falling objects other than the rain, so it's more generic in nature, but tip tip is very specific for rains. Finally, the type of very heavy rains where you just step out and get immediately drenched, for those kind of rains these two words are used: jham jham and jhepe. Now jham is a very frequently used word. You should commit this to memory because you will hear jham a lot. This is used very much. Jhepe is more versatile in the sense that it can be used for the speed of rain as well as the quantity of rain. Now the quantity of rain can also be described by general quantity words like beshi, which means more, and kom, which means less, but I'm not covering those in detail in this video because this is more specific for rains. So for rains, quantity of rains, we specifically use these two words: jhepe, which we saw that means heavy rains, but it can also mean a huge quantity of rain. So jhepe basically means it's pouring cats and dogs types of rain, like heavy speed and high quantity. Chite fota on the other hand is the extreme opposite of this. Fota means drop. Chite comes from chitano, which means to throw. So chite fota means it's like throwing a few drops. This is the type of rain where even the ground does not get wet. So chite fota means like few drops of rain fell from the sky. So chite fota is one extreme and jhepe is the other extreme. Also note, in chite fota I have put the n's in brackets, so they are not full n's. They are not pronounced as full n's. They are a light touch n. In Indian script they are written with Chandra Bindu. but when you are pronouncing them, pronounce them as chite fota. Okay, chite fota. So now we have an entire range of words describing rains. You can use these words as adjectives. For example, rim jhim bristi, tip tip bristi, jham jham bristi. So all of them can be used as adjectives. I hope you enjoy your rains with I don't know, a steaming cup of coffee or hot tea and pakoras maybe. That's all for today. Take care. Meet again soon.